All right, so far we've learned how to graph points on the coordinate plane, and today we're going to work on finding distances on the coordinate plane. And to be honest with you, I think this is pretty easy. I don't think you're going to have any trouble with it, so let's just get right into it. So to find distance on a coordinate plane, we're simply going to count spaces between one and the other. So let's look at this. This is on the inside of your notes. We're going to do these together. So the first question says, how far is it from the skating rink to the grocery store? So first step, let's find the skating rink and the grocery store. So skating rink, I'm just going to darken it in. And then here's the grocery store. So it's simply finding how far it is from the skating rink to the grocery store. Okay, so first of all, we're starting at the skating rink. We're going to the grocery store. That can be important later. Okay, and we're not going to count intersections. We're going to count lines. So when I do it, I always draw myself a little loopy line. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it is 3. And on here, it doesn't tell us any number that this is... it doesn't tell us what these are, whether they're centimeters, inches, yards, feet. It doesn't tell us anything like that. So we're just going to use the word units. If they don't tell us, then that's what we're going to use, 3 units. Okay? And then it asks us in which direction. Well, there is a compass rose down here at the bottom. So we are going to be going in which direction? West. Very good. 3 units west. Question so far? Let's look at the second one. How far is it from the bus stop to the school? So first, let's find the bus stop. It's right here. School is here. Okay, let's count the loopy things again. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, they don't tell us what they are, so again, they're just going to be units. 8 units, and in which direction? North. Okay, 8 units north. How far is it from the house to the school? Now look, the house, I'm going to change color so this is a little easier for you to see. The house is down here. The school is up here. We can't go diagonally. In other words, we can't go directly from the house to the school. We can't do that. So we have to go, you must make the bus stop first. So we're going to go from the house to the bus stop, and then from the bus stop to the school. So let's count it with our loopy things again. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? So we went 11 units. And which 2 directions did we go in? We went east and north.